I can't help but show you my rice bucket. I bought this rice bucket with a large opening for its appearance. This large size can hold 20 kilograms of rice. There is also an anti-insect box on top. Order some star anise, garlic, or something and put it on the insect. It can also show the storage date. It is very considerate, just like the sliding door. It's neatly placed inside the cabinet and doesn't take up much space. And the design of this push-pull cover is not like the flip-up type. This is the first time I have used a fully automatic packaging trash can of this size. The garbage will be packed automatically in a few seconds. I need to open the lid and take it away. After careful study, it turns out that its principle is like this. It is really a long time. I finished packing the garbage. Just throw the garbage bag in and it's ready. Wow, it's such a smart garbage bag. This is the SB charging model. When using it, the open design makes it easy to throw away trash. Whether you put it in the bathroom to throw trash or put it in the kitchen to dump out leftovers, you don't have to worry about getting dirty. It's suitable for people who love cleanliness. Now at home, I don't need to wipe these oily words on the kitchen counter. I can use this for my little thing to drink some classic water and then wipe it off completely. It will replace all the oily stains on the earthen cabinets and other things that are dirty. You need to get some detergent water for the tube. Spray the bathroom mirror first to remove the dirt on the glass. The table of Go Liang was also clean and it didn't look like there was any trouble. After that, I just turned on the faucet and pushed it forward.
Now let's find out how to get the product in the video. There are 3 different ways to get the product. The first method is to buy from one of the stores that sell tools and household appliances, scattered around or near us. The second method, Facebook pages for selling home appliances. The third method, through websites that sell home appliances and ship them to different countries of the world. The following are the most important of these websites: Amazon and eBay and Walmart and Bestbuy, also Target and Lowe's. I will leave you the electronic addresses of these sites in the description of this video. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel and activate the alerts button so that you receive notification or alert of each new video. Also, do not forget to like the video.